Working on the maroon SS. I picked it for $500. I already changed the thermostat. Y'all know I already made a video about that. There go the silver SS. I fixed up, but anyway, the high beams stay on automatically, no matter what I do. It just keeps on just staying on. The switch, you know, to put the high beams on goes like up. You see it moving, but it's staying on for some reason. So what you need to do is you need a Phillips. You need one of these tools and one of these sets too. And this one right here, I don't know what's it called. It's probably called like a 1/8 or something like that. Yeah, 1/8. Just go ahead and go to AutoZone, pick up one of these whole units, and pick up this one too. But the Phillips though, first things first, you're gonna take your Phillips, get those 2 screws out right there. 1, 2. After you take the Phillips out, you know that's that cover that be over this, covering this. Then it's held on by 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. Then you're gonna pop that down. I use this tool right here, one of these little. Bought this from Walmart. I think 10, 15 bucks. It comes with three different sizes. I just put it in the corner right there, and boop, that comes down. Then you're gonna need like I said, you're gonna need 1/8. Correct me if I'm saying that wrong. And then you go underneath here. Is that screw right there, that one. That's gonna take that off. Then you gonna pop that down, and then after you pop that down, then you come up here and then just use your hand and pull that up, maneuver it. You just gotta kind of maneuver it around. Put the left side up first, then slowly start trying to pull the right side up or pull the left side up, and then just keep on going with the left side. But that's that piece right there where the key is. Oh yeah, this too, it just pops right out. Yeah, see how it just goes in the hole? It just goes in the hole and pops right out. You gotta use a little bit of force though, but it pops right out. Then you're gonna take this top screw out. That's right there. It was right there, which is that silver one. And lastly, you gotta pop out. This is when you need this tool. You gotta pop out that one. That one right there. This is not fun at all. But if I were you, since this is my first time doing this, I would, if you could, try to pop these connections out first, since you know it's nice and secured. But since I can't even see, I can't really tell which connector I need to like pull up or whatever, so I'm gonna take this out first. Then after I take it out, then you might be able to see what connections come out without breaking even more stuff. So comment if you have any questions.